All right, so let's talk about what's it called now, the blending modes. Okay, blending mode is it's seen up here. You have a lot of blending mode. You have all this, so I guess you've seen this before. So now the blending modes that are very important is the luminosity, color, saturation, hue, and then I use divide a lot, divide, and linear light, screen, overlay, and soft light, multiply. So let's count it. We have 1 multiply, 2 screen, 3 soft light, 4 overlay, 5 divide, and then everything here. Now the good thing is the hue, saturation, color, and luminosity are going to be in color grading class. So that's what I'm going to use in master in doing color grading. So I'm not going to talk about this, but the one for retouching is the divide and the linear light. That's the most important one I use in what's it called now, in retouching. Okay, a lot of people use vivid light in fast retouching method, so but linear light is the best in frequency separation. You can use this one, but it won't give you the pro result. And then this screen and multiply are also used in what's it called now, in for contrast. Okay, for adding contrast to the image, and also it's also used in working on skin texture, skin color, or skin tones, which is the screen. It's also used in doing dodging and burning, which we are going to come across in the next class. So but for this one, let me just show you quick one. Solid color, it's okay. Let's turn it off, and that's adjustment layer. I'm just going to select inside and then select the eyes. You can see the color of the eyes. The eyes is supposed to be white, right? But this time it's this color, so it's okay. It's just going to give you the best color profile. Turn it on, change the blending mode to divide. So this is why I use it a lot. Now it's actually too bright, although it's giving us the color that it should be, the exposure. So you can take it all the way up and then get your real color. So you can see how easy that is. Turn it off, you have this. Turn it back on, you have that. Well, I can actually add another saturation layer to it. Now the saturation, you see you have hue, saturation, and lightness. It's also inside this one. You have hue, saturation, and brightness. So let's clip it. Hold down Alt and clip it to it. Now once you clip it to it, let's go back to it. When I mess around with this, it brightens up the image and gives us 100% back to where the image is, and then you can just focus 20%. It's good. It's controlling the ones inside. The hue and saturation, take it backwards, you get the real color. Take it forward, you get the opposite. Okay, so let's leave it somewhere. Let's take it somewhere here. The hue, okay, this is going to change things, and you can see it changed the temperature. I don't know if you know about temperature in the time you took the image. You can see this looks like afternoon, this looks like morning, and this looks like noon. Also this mostly looks like evening time. Okay, so this hue changes the time, temperature. Okay, so that's that for this one. So that's for blending mode. Which other blending mode do we have? We have the soft light. Now okay, so let's go back to the gradient map. Let's say we choose this gradient map. Let's choose another one. Let's go to the pink, the one. Let's use this one. It's okay. So we have this gradient map. Now it's gone. For us to apply it, we just need to change it to either soft light, overlay, screen. Okay, so some are better at screen, some are better at soft light, some are better at overlay, some are even better at color. Okay, but it's going to give you a monochrome color grading. Okay, so just choose soft light, and mostly soft light, and you can decrease the opacity, you can increase the opacity. You can go back inside and change it to whatever you want. Let's use purples now, and you have this purple and this and that and this one. Okay, so that's for the this thing. You can change it to screen and any other color grading you want to use. Take it backwards, downwards, and it's just gonna give you the effect you're looking for. All right, so even if you do that, you can go ahead and probably mask it out, or go inside the blending option, double click. It's going to open up the blending option, and you can, where you want to see it, you can bring this backwards like that, and you can limit it to the background only. So we're going to focus more on this one later on in the image. So it's okay. So it's going to restrict it to that area only. You can see it on the background. Okay, go back inside. Let's choose something else, this one, and it's just going to apply it on the background alone. So those are the way blending modes function, and I guess we are good to go and ready for the main retouching class.